How long do dermal fillers last? Launcher AOMA biological technology limited produces 1 million, 2 million dermal fillers can help to diminish facial lines and restore value and fullness in the face, which can last 9 to 12 months according to our 21 years customers' feedback. 10 million, 20 million dermal fillers can help to restore value for breasts and buttocks, which can last 1 to 2 years according to our 21 years customers' feedback. And AOMA newly developed patent long-lasting filling product, PllaHafill. It can be used to temple, brow, nose, perimeter nasi, chin, nasal base, dermal muscle, which can last for 2 years or more filling results. We are one of the first manufacturers to produce sodium hyaluronidase products in the world, with the top 100 level GMP pharmaceutical production workshop and more than 1,000 mature formulas. We have successfully provided OEM and ODM services to over 453 customers. Please feel free to contact us if you need OEM service.